baby, always happy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and today's video is going to be a springtime inspired type of makeup look. But I will be talking through some of the products that I have been using and loving that you guys haven't heard from me about, or I haven't reviewed or talked about on my channel, because I think that's easier in terms of letting you guys know what actually works or what doesn't work on me. So I will be doing that within the video. Before we get started, can you please subscribe to my channel if you haven't? Like, seriously guys, like I need to hit at least 3,000 subscribers. Like, I've been on less than 3,000 in ages, and I know a couple of you guys watch me that are not subscribed to my channel, and it will mean a lot to me if you're subscribed. So please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I will wait and have a glass of juice while you do that. Right, thank you so much for subscribing. I know you did. But anyway, we're gonna get right into this video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Right, so I've moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Prep primer. I have been loving this primer. It's a silicone based primer. You guys have seen me use it a couple of times on my channel.
Then a king can change you the world. Stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, okay. I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. I am your slave.
While that's drying, can you guys see my new Isoka Enofe bonnet? Can you see the shimmer and the glow on there? It also has a lining, colored lining. You can see, oh, it's so pretty. It is so freaking pretty. Like, I am literally obsessed with these bonnets. Like, you can't see me without these bonnets. Like, they're life. Like, it's so freaking cute. And also my nails, I'm really repping color. Like, I really want to do a really colorful springtime vibrant type of look today, so I went full on with the colored nails, and yeah, let go.
In Knoxville, she raised in Atlanta, ATL. She be raining, she the queen. She be raining, 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 she be raining. There's a girl out a magazine. Everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine, and her hand as rock stays shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen.
You guys know that this foundation to me is life already. Like, I absolutely love this foundation. Like, I use it every day now. It's the only drugstore foundation that has really good coverage that I've tried. It has really good coverage and doesn't break me out, and it's easy to apply, easy to wear, and it's good for my oily skin. Like, my skin stays relatively matte, a little bit dewy all day, and I only need to set my face once, and I usually wear my foundation for up to 12 hours a day. So big thumbs up for this one.
Always happy, I'll never change. No way, no way. You are the same from the day that I knew that I could love you when I saw your face.
So I have literally been using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade for my brows lately, and look, like, this stuff is almost gone. Like, it's legit almost empty. I absolutely love this stuff. For some reason, it just works so well for my brows lately. I still have that little bit of gap on my brow, but you know, whatever. Like, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye because I'm not too sure what I want to do yet. So I'm just gonna let the brushes speak to me. And then I'll come back and we'll do the other eye together, boos. Together. 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 Let's go. So I am trying to get this eye popping and the shadows are not working. They're not pigmented enough. They look patchy. And they're the Coastal Scents Hot Pots. And they're not working. Literally not working. Not working. I'm not happy. They look awful. And I haven't got the time to wipe it off and start again. So I think I'm going to throw glitter on top. Yeah. Right. I managed to come up with something. So we're going to rock with this. You know, sometimes makeup looks don't come along the way you hope. So anyway, we're going to make this look cute. We're going to rock with this. So let's go. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Morphe 35O palette. And I'm going to pop this gorgeous gold color. I'm going to pop that on my brow bone.
People look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine. And her hand has...
Next, I'm going to go in with the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in light tangerine, which is this orange color. And I'm going to pop that in my crease. Quite generously.
She reigns in Atlanta, rains down in Florida. She the queen, she be reigning. She the queen, she be reigning. She be reigning, 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 she be reigning. She reigns in Knoxville.
Next, I'm going to go in with the deeper tangerine color, and it's like an orange tangerine color from Coastal Scents again. It's one of their hot pots. And I'm going to bring it lower this time.
She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine. And her hand has rock, stay shining, shining, shining.
Next, I'm going to go back into the 35O palette, and I'm going to use this orange shade. Oops. This one. And I'm bringing that even lower. Next, I'm going to deposit some color. So I'm going to deposit this dark brown shade in my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out with a brush. And I'm just going to deposit it right in my crease. Just right there. And then I'm going to use the same brush that I used to blend out the darker orange color to really blend that out. I don't want it to be too dark. I just want a little hint of the brown shade, hence why I am really blending it out. Next, I'm going to be using the Lit Cosmetics glitter, and this one is called Heartbreaker. So this gorgeous shade, you can see, it's what I'm going to pop on my lid. And I'm going to be using the Lit Cosmetics glitter glue as well.
From the day that I knew that I could love you, when I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world. Diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, I am your slave. I won't
I'm going to go back in with that dark brown color and orange color, and I'm just going to blend out the outer corner now that my glitter is dry. So give it a little bit of a smoky effect, and just be careful not to scrape off the glitter. I'm going to carry on with the rest of my face. I'm going to conceal my under eye and all that good stuff.
And her hand has rock, stay shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Queen on the throne, smiling, laughing, singing my songs. Okay, okay. Found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you when a heart gives way. can change. You rule the world, stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, okay, I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. I am your slave, I will never run away. There's a girl out a magazine, everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine, and her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. She reigns in Knoxville, reigns in California. She reigns in Atlanta, reigns down in Florida. She the queen, she be reigning. She the queen, she be reigning. She be reigning, 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 she be reigning. She reigns in Knoxville.
So I've been using the B bronzer from Superdrug, and I kind of like it. It is a bit red for me. It isn't warm enough. Well, maybe it's too warm, it's too red. So I would prefer something that had a little bit of darkness to it. You know, like how the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer is just dark enough and still has that rich color, but isn't like, it isn't cool tone, it's warm tone, but it's not red and has that kind of kick in the color. The only difference is the CoverGirl has a bit of shimmer to it. This is completely matte, but I think if you use it heavy-handedly, it will definitely look red on you. I wouldn't recommend you use this to contour at all. I'll just say use it as a bronzer to just warm up your skin, but not to contour.
Look at my baby, always happy. I'll never change, no way, no way. You are the same from the day that I knew that I could love you. When I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world, diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same from the day that I knew that I could love you. I am your slave, I will never run away. There's a girl out a magazine, everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine, and her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Queen on the throne, smiling, laughing, singing my songs. Okay, okay, I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. When a heart gives way, then a king can change. You rule the world, stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, okay, I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. I am your slave, I will never run away. There's a girl out a magazine, everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine, and her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. She reigns in Knoxville, reigns in California. She reigns in Atlanta, reigns down in Florida. She the queen, she be reigning. She the queen, she be reigning. She be reigning, 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 she be reigning. She reigns in Knoxville, California. She reigns in Atlanta. raining. She be 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 raining. Does it go out a magazine? Everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine, and her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down.
Right, so I came set up in my living room because I'm going to be recording another video after this. But I wanted to show you guys the entire look. Excuse my hair, it hasn't been curled in a while, so it's looking pretty flat. But this is the look. I actually like the way it came out. In as much as I had issues with my eyeshadow, I think it came out really beautifully. I love my new earrings from Little Tops Creations. They just set off this look quite beautifully. And my dress is from Everything £5. I did a review on this dress couple of months back, so I will insert the video in the description box below so you guys can have a look. I say months, it could be up to a year back, but yeah, definitely have a look. I think it's such a cute dress. Plus I'm doing a giveaway. I'm not sure if this video will be out by the time the giveaway is over, but make sure you're subscribe to my channel and make sure your notifications are turned on so you guys know when I do release a video. But yeah, this is my springtime inspired look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Look at my baby, always happy, I'll never change.